Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make daikon leaves cooking. Not so many people knew that daikon leaves has really good nutrition, and even in Japanese they throw them out. But this is very good one, and you can make one more meal from that. So why don't you cook those daikon leaves? And I'll show you how to make it today. This is daikon leaves, and it's depend on where you buying daikon from. Maybe Asian store you will be able to find daikon with leaves, and sometimes maybe you can't. And if you cannot find daikon leaves, turnip leaves, you will be able to use it. If you cut dried red pepper smaller, it gets more hotter. I hope you enjoy my video today. But you can substitute this for kale or some other leaves, similar leaves like dark green leaves. I really hope you try to make this recipe because it is very easy. If you like my video today, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.